Welcome to NCPCR's MIS tutorial. How to open NCPCR's MIS portal. To open NCPCR MIS portal, you have to just click write ncpcr.gov.in/MIS on your browser. Do not search this on any search bar engine such as Google, Bing, Yahoo. Just type the URL ncpcr.gov.in/MIS and press the enter or go. You will see the NCPCR MIS portal. ncpcr.gov.in/MIS. You have to type here in that address bar. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Microsoft Edge, etc. portals. Now I will show you how to just open your browser, type ncpcr.gov.in/MIS and press the enter. You will see the NCPCR's MIS portal homepage. Only authorized users have been provided username and password by the NCPCR. If any user not received the username password details, they may contact NCPCR or write an email to it.ncpcr@nic.in with their relevant document, copy of authorized letter for using MIS portal. If you forget your password, then click on the button Forget Password. Type your username, fill up the confirm captcha detail, and click on Reset Now. The password will be sent on your registered email ID you have seen. Click on that police, WCD, and labor departments of state and district have been given access to use the MIS portal. Health and Education Department of states have also given the authority to fill up the information on NCPCR MIS portal. Thank you. Bye bye.